First of all, thank you very much. As you have said, Honorable Prime Minister is coming tomorrow to Jeddah. His previous two visits have been to Riyadh. So it would be his first visit to Jeddah. And Jeddah has a very special significance between the connectivity between India and Saudi Arabia, because for centuries Jeddah has been the port for our pilgrims who come for Umrah and Hajj to come to the Saudi Arabia. Jeddah has been the port for the trade connectivity between India and Saudi Arabia. So this is a very, very significant place in terms of connectivity. All kind of talks are going to happen, and all issues are going to be discussed. As you know, there is a strategic partnership council between India and Saudi Arabia. So both the leaders, Honorable Prime Minister and the Crown Prince, His Royal Highness Crown Prince, are going to chair the leaders' meeting of the Strategic Partnership Council. A large number of MOUs are being finalized and will be signed and exchanged during the visit, and a host of other issues on economic partnership, defense partnership, on our political relations. All these things will be discussed. It's a hugely significant visit.
Are we expecting any MOU to be signed on defense and security partnerships, as you mentioned?
Well, our defense and security partnership is very strong, and we have a bilateral defense cooperation MOU of 2014. And under this, various activities are taking place. And as you know, in the last few years, we have organized the naval exercises, we all organized the land forces exercises, and we are looking at another edition of the naval exercises shortly. And definitely the defense cooperation will be a part of the agenda, and I expect that our defense partnership will certainly get impetus during this visit.
So Saudi plays an important role when it comes to regional developments, and we are seeing two ongoing wars, the Russia-Ukraine, and we recently saw the talks being held in Riyadh between US and Russia. How much do you think that the Israel-Gaza war, the Russia-Ukraine war, would be a part of the discussion between the two leaders?
Well, when both the leaders meet, they will certainly discuss all the issues, including the issues of regional importance, global importance. As you have rightly noted, Saudi Arabia has been the place for talks on the Russia-Ukraine. And not only now, but even in 2023, they organized two rounds of talks at the National Security Advisor levels. And recently also, they again became a venue for the talks. So they play a very important role. They also play a very important role in the regional geopolitical situation. And I'm sure both the leaders will discuss all these issues.
How do you see the economic cooperation between the two countries, and also the trade cooperation? And when it comes to connectivity corridor, IMEC was signed. So how much do you think that the progress on IMEC would be a part of the discussion?
Well, our economic partnership is very strong. And if you notice, our trade has been increasing. In fact, India's exports to Saudi Arabia have almost doubled in last 4 years. And there's a lot of emphasis on facilitating the investments. In fact, today only there was the high-level task force meeting on investment which met in Riyadh, and this is a task force which was formed after 2023 visit of Crown Prince to India. It is chaired by Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Dr. Mishra on the Indian side, and His Royal Highness Minister of Energy on the Saudi side. They met in Riyadh today, and they went over a lot of issues of mutual interest in terms of facilitating the investment. So definitely economic partnership is one of the fulcrums of our relationship, and a lot of emphasis has been given to it. As far as the IMEC is concerned, we are working closely with Saudi Arabia on a number of initiatives. One of the most important initiatives where we have made a lot of progress is the electric grid connectivity. It is a very ambitious program. The idea is that we connect the electric grids of both the countries so that we benefit from opportunities in the renewable and clean energy in both the countries. and we are currently undertaking a feasibility study. So a lot of progress has taken place there. And as part of the IMAC, we will work with Saudi Arabia and other regional partners on other dimensions like multimodal logistic connectivity, data connectivity, and other elements of IMAC. So I think IMAC is very important. It is not one project, it is vision. And it will have many, many projects and many other verticals in times to come.
So last question, since you mentioned about trade, will GCC FTA talks, will be a part of the talks as well?
I think it would definitely come in discussion, but it is not a bilateral issue between India and Saudi Arabia because GCC is a multilateral body which includes other countries in the region. And on the GCC India FTA, there have been talks going on. We have chief negotiators on both the sides. And recently, the last meeting of the chief negotiators took place on 9th of April. So they're talking to each other and they're trying to find a way to make a progress. But of course, we in India, we remain committed to the India GCC FTA. We think that this FTA will open up a lot of opportunities for businesses from both the sides, for the economic integration between India and GCC. So we are continuing with the talks, but I'm sure it would be mentioned between the two leaders also.